thanks for watching the DIY Daddy channel. My name is Don, and this video is a follow-up video to one of my first videos was how to get rid of fruit flies and drain flies. I got a lot of feedback from that video that I wasn't actually getting rid of the drain flies, which is technically accurate. I mean, while using a glass with like cider or beer covered with saran wrap with some holes poked in it, I have a link to that video at the end of this one. While that does get rid of the flies themselves, it doesn't get rid of the problem. So to address that, you need to understand why you have drain flies in the first place. Now, drain flies, they need organic matter in your drain to lay their eggs on, so that the eggs will have something to eat when they hatch, and then develop into full-grown adult drain flies, which then appear all over your sink. Now, how do you get rid of that organic matter? Well, there's all kinds of ways to do that. There's natural ways, not so natural ways. There's chemical, there's mechanical. You can use a drain snake in a lot of hot water and just keep, try to knock everything out of the drain. They have a lot of biodegradable, eco-friendly treatments that you can pour down your drain at night, but you have to leave the drain completely unused for at least 12 hours, and then flush it with hot water for about 10-15 minutes. Those work great, but I mean, if you want to do something that's more economical, a couple treatments with regular drain cleaner. So what you want to do is, pour it down the drain and let it sit for half an hour. Let it really eat up all the stuff that's down there and flush it with a lot of hot water, and then repeat the process again. Probably want to do it at least a couple of times to make sure that you get rid of all that organic matter. You can also use methods like baking soda and vinegar. If you pour a whole box of baking soda down your drain and just run the water for like a few seconds to kind of like get it to go down the pipes and let it sit for half an hour, and then dump a whole bunch of vinegar down there. It's natural, it's septic safe. It's not quite as effective. You need to do that several times in order to get rid of all that organic matter, but you're also getting rid of the eggs at the same time. So you're really helping to cut down that population. But you want to make sure that you're also using that trick with the glass and the cider vinegar to trap any adult flies that are flying around. Because if those are still alive, they can just go right back down your drain and lay more eggs. So that's pretty much it. You want to make sure that you keep your drains pretty clean. Try using one of those little drain catchers. Try and catch as much organic matter as you can. Organic matter being any type of food or anything you throw down the sink. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, make sure you comment. If you like the video, help me out by subscribing. It's free. Share the video, and hope you have a great day. See ya.